Good morning. It's really my deepest pleasure to be here and to welcome you on behalf of the Education Department of the Council of Europe headquarters. And this is really the almost 7 years since we together embarked in this journey, this project. Together with the European Commission, 7 years ago, we started the project on fighting corruption in higher education and strengthening transparency. And we are very proud at the Council of Europe that the Montenegrin project achieved one of the biggest successes. Because 7 years ago, we didn't even dream about having a new separate law on academic integrity. But the commitment, the political commitment, and also enthusiasm of all beneficiaries, partners, which are present here, led to this new law. And furthermore, now we are working on implementing the law, establishing of the National Committee, Ethical Committee on, in education. It's also another big achievement and a good practice, which is shared also at the Council of Europe among the other member states. And also working very successfully with the Quality Insurance Agency, but also with the university, Montenegro University, and also private universities. So in the last years, we really worked together with all partners, which is very important what Evgenia said, that we need the mindset of the culture. And in order to achieve some result, and in order to change the mindset, we need to involve all stakeholders, the whole society. Not only regulatory framework is essential, but also all involved, especially students, parents, academic staff, they all need to be involved in this ongoing process. Fighting corruption in higher education or corruption itself, it's not a new concept. It's not only issue for the Montenegro, the region, it's really universal problem. And it's taking different forms. With the digitalization, also there are new threats to the academic integrity. And the Council of Europe is working very much in this issue, not only through the ETINET network, which also Evgenia mentioned, which had a completely new approach, positive approach to fighting, to strengthening ethic and transparency education. Also I'm very happy to share with you that even next week, the Committee of Ministers at the Council of Europe will discuss the new recommendation on fraud in education. And tomorrow, our colleague, Michael Draper, will also tell you more about this upcoming new recommendation from the Council of Europe. But also, several years ago, there was another recommendation like on ethics in teaching profession, also adopted by the Committee of Ministers at the Council of Europe. And all these efforts are also a part of another recommendation on quality education. Because quality education, the definition of quality education also includes education free of corruption. And we all need to work to fighting corruption in order to strengthen academic integrity and to provide the quality education to all, because education is the right, human rights to all. So I'm very happy that we achieved today to bring also eminent experts from the region, but also from the other member states, which will share with all of you some good practices. And also what we will present and talk tomorrow about another initiative by the Council of Europe called Best Practice Program on promoting academic integrity that we launched last year. I can say very proudly that University of Montenegro was one of the practices which was commended as a very interesting new approach on strengthening academic integrity. So I will stop here. I'm really also very happy to hear all these debates and discussion that will be held today and tomorrow. and I wish you all, again, a very fruitful conference.